Welcome! In this short video, we will show you how to replace the cutter blade on your imagePROGRAF Pro 4000S multifunction printer. This procedure applies to other imagePROGRAF Pro Series models. Before getting started, it's advisable to download the online manual for your imagePROGRAF from the Canon website. First, ensure that you have the new cutter blade kit at hand. The kit contains the new cutter blade, a fixing part, a hex key, and instructions. At the user screen, scroll to Maintenance. Then scroll to Replace Cutter Blade Unit. You will be prompted with the question, do you want to replace the cutter blade unit? Press Yes. After a few seconds, you will be prompted to open the top cover. First raise the scanner unit, then open the top cover. You will notice that the existing cutter blade unit has moved to the center of the carriage. Using the hex key that is provided in the new cutter unit kit, remove the retaining screw. Always handle the cutter unit by the edges of the blue plastic casing. Slide the orange fixing part so that it is centered under the carriage assembly. Attach the new cutter unit, then remove the fixing part. Now close the top cover and lower the scanner unit. At the user screen, you will be asked to confirm if you have installed the cutter unit properly. Press Yes. In a few moments, your imagePROGRAF will complete the installation process, and the user screen will return to the Home menu. All done! To find more helpful resources for your Canon large format printer, browse our Canon Business AU YouTube channel and visit us at canon.com.au.